This is how you make curry beef udon in a rice cooker. Akala mo, snap? No. Tara, Japan! Nadali tayo ni Michael rice cooker. We'll be needing some salt, carrots, white onions, Japanese curry, bok choy, beef, sukiyaki cut, udon noodles. So, unahin natin yung curry, ating curry. Lagyan natin ng asin. Tapos dahil hindi siya sabay-sabay maluluto, takpan muna natin. Check muna natin yung meat natin. Ang bango! Lagyan na natin yung udon noodles, bok choy, carrots, white onions. As we can see, sa loob, meron na tayong linya ng water. Pwede na natin sundin yung measurement. Sarado na natin. Check na natin yung last. Sarap. Garnish time! Black and white, sesame seed, white and green herbs, layo oil, and up. Oh, G, kain na. Ayun, sulitigin. Oh, Tommy, game tayo. Game lang ha. So this is how you make curry beef udon in a rice cooker. Uy, lunch ko yan!